Let's talk about one of our keys, action research. Now, what I would like you to do is to start thinking about what do you know about action research? What's been your experience of action research? You're going to do an activity soon, which encourages you to think about and write down some notes about action research. What has your experience been? Let's go through some of these key teaching points. So, action research is a practical process for you. You're going to be following this process over the next few weeks. It's all about change and improvement. It's all about your reflections on getting better. So, you're going to take some time to think about, what do I want to improve on in my classroom? What do I want to get better at as a teacher? We're going to think about planning some new ideas, and then we're going to think about taking action and seeing how it works. We're going to maybe adjust what we do in our classroom. This is very much about you as a teacher implementing some changes in your classroom to improve your practice. And I'm here to help guide you and lead you through that process. Normally, an action research project has 4 stages. Step number 1, we do some reflection. So, what's working in my classroom? What's not working? Why did this happen? How can I make it better? That's step number 1. We do some reflection. Remember what I said? Reflective practice is it's like the engine fuel of everything, trying to make us better. Number 2, we respond to those reflections. So we might have a question like, what could I change? What's my plan? What new strategy could I try? So we're going to design some change. Step number 3, now I've made a plan, I'm going to go and implement that in my classroom and make that change or do something in my space with my students. So what data will I collect is a key question that I do. Okay, I'm making a shift in my practice, but what's the impact? And then number 4 is observing. So how is it going? What has changed? What impact is there? And then we suddenly find ourselves back at step number 1, and you can see it's a cycle, because we are trying to continually improve our practice. So it's not a start and stop, it's a continuous process. We're going to begin with time to reflect about our learning environments, to reflect about our teaching and learning spaces. So this is our action research cycle.